Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain how you can get a virtual Cash App card instantly and start using it right away without waiting for the physical card in the mail. The Cash App card, also known as the Cash Card, is a free Visa debit card linked directly to your Cash App balance. What many people don't know is that Cash App also gives you a virtual version of this card that you can access instantly after ordering. To get started, open your Cash App and go to the Cash Card tab at the bottom of your screen. Tap on Get Free Cash Card if you haven't ordered one before. You'll be able to pick a card design and confirm your details. As soon as you finish, Cash App will generate a virtual card number for you. This digital card works just like the physical version, but you can start using it immediately. Your virtual card comes with its own card number, expiration date, and CVV code, which you can view securely in the app. You can use it for online shopping, subscriptions, or linking to payment services just like any other debit card. On top of that, you can also add your virtual Cash App card to Apple Pay or Google Pay to use it in stores with contactless payments. So while the physical card may take about a week to arrive in the mail, your virtual Cash App card is ready instantly, letting you spend from your balance the same day you request it.